Hi, my name is Lynette. I am at Fresno LAC, the ARC, and today we will be learning about earthworms and earthworm habitats. Okay, first we'll start off with the ingredients. We will need pudding. We will need Oreos. We will also need worms. They can be any kind of gummy worms, just make sure there's something that you would actually enjoy eating. Next, we will need a rolling pin, a Ziploc bag, and a bowl to scrape out the Oreo filling. We also need a clear plastic cup. It can be small, it can be big, however you want it, just make sure it's clear. Okay, first we are going to start with the Oreo. We're going to scrape out the center of the Oreo. And add it to the Ziploc bag. You might need at least 3 Oreos. And then close the Ziploc bag. Next, we're gonna start with the pudding. This is our dirt. This is like dirt for our habitat. We're gonna start off with 2. And then just smooth it around so it can look level. Okay. Next, we have the Oreos. We need to crush these up. Use the rolling pin to crush them. You can make them into the consistency of dirt. Let's see. That seems like a nice consistency. All right, this is our dirt that we're gonna be using. Okay, next, we're gonna put a couple worms on the pudding before we put the Oreo crumbs on. Okay. Next, we are going to put the Oreo crumbs on top as the top layer of the dirt. Okay, this is still the top layer of the dirt. Worms come out of the dirt only when something is introduced into their habitat. Like one time, me and my sister, we used soap and water on the sidewalk to use a slide. And when we left and came back outside, there were worms everywhere because the soapy water went into their habitat and they had to come out for air. So we learned not to do that ever again. All right, and then we can lay a couple worms on top. And you guys, this is an earthworm habitat. And you guys can also enjoy this. Don't just look at it, make sure you taste it.